Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to scan QR code on Alibaba. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is where exactly can you find Alibaba? Depending on the device that you choose or that you use, you can get Alibaba on Apple Store or you can get it on Google Play Store. I currently use an Android phone, so I'm going to have to launch my Google Play Store. So launch your Google Play Store, and in the search bar, go ahead and type Alibaba. Once you click on that, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing and downloading successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Alibaba. In that sign up page, all you need to do is to log in using an existing account or to sign up by creating an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to scan the QR code in Alibaba. Let's say you got a product and you want to scan a product so that you can make purchases in Alibaba. Here is exactly what you can do to scan QR code. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple icons representing diverse features. You have home, you have tips, you have messenger, you have cards, and you have my Alibaba. So click on the my Alibaba tab, and that's going to take you right into this window where you have a couple of options here from my orders all the way down to more features. So scroll all the way up, and at the top corner of the screen, top left corner specifically, you're going to see the QR code that you have. You're going to see the scanner, rather, not QR code. So click on that scanner, that's a QR scanner, and it takes you over here. So now you have a code. If you have a code that you want to scan, you can use this scanner to scan the code. So here you have the on-screen instruction that says align QR code within frame to scan. So ensure that you have the QR code right there, and the scanner is going to scan the code. If it's a product that you want to scan, please go ahead and do that and scan the QR code for that product and proceed to make purchases in Alibaba. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can scan QR code on Alibaba. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.